Are you ready for some cuteness overload? Today, we're diving into Monkey Baby Bonbon's pool party with Ducklings. Get ready to witness the ultimate poolside fun with our favorite monkey and some adorable ducklings. Welcome to Monkey Baby Bonbon's pool party with Ducklings. It's time to splash into a world of fun and laughter as we join Monkey Baby Bonbon and the Ducklings for an epic pool party adventure. Get your swimsuits on and let's jump right in. Monkey Baby Bonbon is all set to host a fantastic pool party, but there's a little challenge. The Ducklings are feeling a bit hesitant around the water. It's up to Monkey Baby Bonbon to make sure everyone has a blast at the party and help the Ducklings overcome their shyness. Watch as Monkey Baby Bonbon takes the lead in encouraging the Ducklings to dip their tiny feet into the water, play with colorful pool toys, and join in the poolside games. It's all about creating a safe and playful environment for everyone to enjoy the party to the fullest. And here comes the magical moment we've all been waiting for. Witness the heartwarming scene as the Ducklings conquer their fear of the water and start swimming joyfully alongside Monkey Baby Bonbon. It's a true bonding experience filled with laughter and pure happiness. As we wrap up this unforgettable pool party, let's take a moment to cherish the beautiful memories created by Monkey Baby Bonbon and the Ducklings. From overcoming challenges to forming new friendships, this pool party was a true celebration of joy and togetherness. If you've enjoyed this adorable pool party adventure with Monkey Baby Bonbon and the Ducklings, don't forget to show some love by liking and sharing this video. And hey, why not subscribe to our channel for more heartwarming and fun-filled adventures with our beloved characters? Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time for more exciting escapades.